Play P Baro, Niptang Sabai P Shakatuk Bomb and Takajanmi, Shavan Pash, Kikubor Babna, Petragamat Bukongsan. Tmuka Isro one Penherio satellite Aditya L1 Beningkong, Jonkari, and Puli Kajikta Jonkasni, Kapurte. Beliau Menteri Rangba Kejelabut Menteri Ketenat Kikam Jengok Kai Pertai Kejing Ajing Syakri Ketenat Pelai Kerteng The Traveller's Nest Hashnong Ki'im. Tak nondalayu ia kebil bat dia kijing patai beniak Sepang Jongka on salak bersyem rai halor ke UCC Om Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad K. Sangma. But on penlong ki chairman Jongka Regional Committee Jongka Sambat Meghalaya ka jing lecture langnya khanduli Om Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad K. Sangma. Ki khubor ki babnia ka Indian Space Research Organisation ka thmu ban pelat yo satellite Aditya L1 mentau benai. Kandai ka jing persang ka beningkong Jongkari ban penlong ya ka jing puli benia ya kasngi. Uni satellite un sakit ya nyau teli kitiar ki ban kmi bnia ka solar atmosphere, solar magnetic storms, bat ka jingkata ya ka mariang ha ka perthai. Un sa tau biar saudong ya L1 point ka badon ha pedeng jong ka perthai bat kasngi. Uni satellite un sa shimpor kumbashi spa kandai sngi hadian belada penher ya ban poy ka jaka ban tau biar ka bakot L1 bat ka ni ka la ban kot ya ka jingjangai ka bapalat iway ponsan million kilometer. Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad K. Sangma haringkat bat Menteri Ketenat Kikam Jengok Kai Perthai ba polling do hinde kasngi klap li perda ya ka jing ai jing syakri jong ketenat bala ai kerteng ka Traveller's Nest ha ka shnong ki em ka badon hamau plang ka Traveller's Nest ka don santli ki yeng ret bat ko ka restaurant ka ki Traveller's Nest ka de ka project bala bay tengka da ka Meghalaya Age Limited lingba jong ka Meghalaya Rural Tourism Cooperative Federation Limited ringkat ka jing bay tengka ka balong kendai pusaw lang haba pli ka te ka jakau Menteri Rangba Kejelau ulak ka do halor ka jing don kam jong ka jing etre lang jong kishnong ha ka ban penya ya ka yok ka kot jong ka jela Menteri Rangba Kejelau la pli perdaru ya ka bio fertilizer unit ka beningkong jong ka jela ha ka shnong ki em ha ka ni ka program Menteri Rangba la pelat ru ya prateli ki kalina ka bentaki kam jong kai perthai.
Organic fertilizers in enough supply at the right price at the right time, then obviously the entire purpose is defeated. And hence this biofertilizer plant is absolutely necessary. And as of now, we have a requirement of approximately 25,000 metric tons of biofertilizer in the state as a whole. And obviously the demand will grow as we move along because we'll have more areas under organic farming that plans to be brought in. And hence this particular plant will to a large extent be able to cater to the need of especially the region and even to a large extent the state as a whole.
Kat babaro kilapan pau ke jeng persya halor ke UCC bat kintu yo Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad K. Sangma ban ai karai ke bala menjur lang baro ban persya ya ka. Menteri Rangba Kejelau pat ulaong batat onda layo i ke bil ke bedon ke jing batai benia Sepang Jongka on sala ban ai ke jing shimrai bat on omla ban shushim ya karai tang lingba ke jing sngo da ka baong ba ka UCC ka de ka mat ka bayar usang maula ong ba om don jing mentoy ben ekran Sepang Jongka UCC klem da yo i ke jing tho halor ke jing shimrai jong ka yeng dor bar thau an ke Kerala persha ke uniform civil code kala don ka jing dawa ban persha lang kumjo na ka jela la ban penken mau banado kinong ya lam niam bat kaseng ka besno bat ka sarkar MDA kata kaseng UDP kala penpau ke jing sokia halor ke UCC.
Now are you saying if you can show me the bill that has got the details of it, then we will take a resolution accordingly after reading it, but an idea and a concept of UCC, I cannot take a resolution on a concept, I cannot take a resolution on an idea. It has to be on a particular issue, it has to be on a particular bill, and particular format which has to be given to us. And hence, I suggest to the press also that I think there's no use talking about the UCC till we don't see a formal document on what the UCC is all about, and only then can we comment on it. So let's not go, just kind of raising, an issue out of something that is not there right now. It's an idea and a concept which has not taken form yet. Until that happens, we cannot make any comment on the UCC.
Menteri Rangba ke Jela hinin kesengi ulah pentip bagi chairman jong baro artli ke regional committee jong ka Sambat Meghalaya ken sapanlong ke jinglet jurip ya ke Snong Khanduli menta kesengi lani lasai. Menteri ke Cabinet jong ka Assam Piyush Hazarika belalam khmat ke regional committee na West Karbi Anglong district bat usimbut menteri ke Jela iba sniau balang dhar iba on lam khmat ke regional committee na West Giant Hills kin sa let jurip ya ke Snong Khanduli ban penbet ya ke jing ya ka japut apa deng ke jai medio Karbi bat ki penar na ka daw ke jing keno sna be an ya ke check gate ha ke te ke jaka habakran halor ke jing pen kutno ya ke mukot duma bedang shen ke bla bishar ke commission belalam khmat da justice Rumi Kumari Phukan belatung da ke sarkar Assam ke batok kit halor ke jing jah mukro hadin ba shimla dan manu belalet mi hakmat ke commission hakapor bela penlong ke jing bishar Assam House Geelong usang mau laong baka sarkar Meghalaya kala depan bo yala ka jong ke judicial commission.
The regional committee chairmen of Assam and of Meghalaya are visiting Khanduli. So Mr. Piyush Hazarika and Mr. Snyabalangthar, the chairmen of the two respective committees, will be visiting Khanduli tomorrow or the after. I was told 16th. But if not 16th, then 17th for sure. We have put up our own judiciary commission. So we are waiting for our judiciary commission to work. So that's what it is. And cooperation is, whenever necessary, our officials are in touch. So it's not that we are completely neglecting. Maybe at that point in time when the person came, our people were not there. So that could be a one-off case. But as I said, the judiciary commission has been put up by Meghalaya.
Ka Department of Geography jong ka St. Edmunds College ringkat ke jing trelang bat kana bat Shillong kilapan long ke international seminar kam webinar halor ka phang pedeng climate change a local national and global agenda na kabenta arsngi ha auditorium jong ka college habakran na katege jing lang chairman jong ka state planning board ke Jela iba met ba lingdo ilapan pau ke jing thmu halor ka jing penlong ya katege seminar dah ke banjur halor ke jing don kam jong ke te ke jing kendu alang ilapan pau ru ke jing nget jong i ya ke jing la jong ki samla ban wan ra i ke jing kala ba bha bat ya ke jing kersan jong i ke jing persang ke jong ki kat ba ke ni ke seminar kadang ya chakman kala don ke jing hikai ke jing sam jing mut bat ke jing ekut jing mut ban ya le persha ya ki mat ki ba wan ra ke jing kala jong ke suimneng.
Chairman of Meghalaya State Planning Board.
I would like to see that St. Edmunds College, to the students, to all the participants of this 2 days long seminars, should show results. There has to be a positive and fruitful results which comes out from this seminar.
Kamulang Yalong Sports Club kelalong kenong job da kabakalayo lai ko laar persya ke Dulong Sports Club ha kejingilek kai final ha kelimpung yelek kai Football Independence Day Cup na kebenta kiba khatnyo snam support ha kawai pat kaliang ha ka Independence Day run ar hajar ar pulaipan I happiness power but I tebok lang biam kilayo ra ai kanam la du ha ketege jingko mare ya ketika jingilek kai football lapen long da West Giant District Sports Association kat bai ke jingko mare pat lapen ya lang da office jong Deputy Commissioner West Giant Hills District padu District Sports Officer hakyang namba stadium hakan digesngi lajit kin riu ngut kino yelek kai batpit banya don lang ha ka Kelo India State Center kinong penya kila shimru ya kilat pen pendon burom ya ki brio bat kikin hon ki bapau Mentapat ini pet ya kejeng long Jerman kesimpulan Shillong kejeng shit kalong arpun rio point sau degree Celsius kejeng kriat kalong hatnyo point san degree Celsius kejeng ngam kau hau kalong praplai na kashis pa min step an rio na kashis pa janmiet kelak pendon kejeng hap slap ke malumala hagi babun ke Jaka Shoban poi shob ko jang thuk kubor ni pet biang sesian kimat bekongsan Temu ke ISRO ban penher yau satellite Aditya L1 benengkong jong keri ban pulih yah ke jengta jong kesengi ke pertai. Beliau Menteri Rangbak Kejela badu Menteri Ketenat Kikam jengok kai pertai ke jing ai jing syakri ketenat bala ai kerteng The Traveller's Nest hasnong kiin. Anda layo ia ke bil pat ikijing patai biniak sepang jongka on salak ban shimrai halor ke UCC ong Menteri Rangbak Kejela Konrad K Sangma. Pat on penlong di chairman jongka regional committee jongka sahabat Meghalaya ke jelit jurat belang ya ke kanduli ong Menteri Rangbak Kejela Konrad K Sangma. Di parlok dah gitu ki kebor lapoi so bukut jang tu kebor jang minta ke janmin hadu bini syam yang berpilih syai kesi keplay pi parok.
The Indian Air Force invites online applications from unmarried Indian male and female candidates for selection test for Agniveer Vayu intake January 2024 under Agnipath scheme.